This stray dog kept barking and pulling at his clothes, desperate to get his attention. He realized something was wrong, so he followed her deep into the burning forest, running blindly through the smoke. She led him straight to a collapsing shed that was already on fire.
Oh, Jesus.
Heard crying coming from underneath the rubble. Without thinking, he reached into the flames. One by one, he pulled her tiny cuppies out, just seconds before the roof caved in. Mother wouldn't stop kissing him. She knew he was the only reason her babies made it out alive.